SEO 101, what is the Google Index? Google stores all pages that they know about in their index. Really important point that they know about. They cannot put pages in their index if they cannot find them. That's why it's so important that you have sitemaps that are submitted to Google Search Console and that you have good internal linking. Both of those things help web pages become discoverable inside of Google. So the Google Index is all the pages that Google knows about, and some of those they choose to provide in Google search results. Some they choose to rank really, really high in Google search results, and some they choose to not include at all. Google has an indexing report inside of Google Search Console that shows you all the pages that they know about in regards to your website. They then break these down by segment, and they tell you which ones are in the index and which ones are not, and they give you some insights as to why. Google is indexing more pages every single day, and the index is constantly changing. Your goal should be to have all the pages on your website and then break them down by the quality ones you want to have in the index, submit those specifically, and make sure they're ranking well in Google. That's it for the Google Index today. For SEO 101, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.